it's nice. Thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's good, Golden Gang? Welcome back to another video. My name is Dominique if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. You already know you guys mean the most to me because that means you came back to watch another video. Speaking about subscribing, y'all, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Like, I'm so freaking happy. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm so freaking happy. 200 people subscribe so they could watch my videos. Like, it really means a lot to me. But yeah, two things really quick, guys. As you can see, I am in a new filming location. I did move my whole I did move, and the reason why is because I think a white background is much better because there's not distractions in the background. As you can see, I don't have like a candle burner back here and Lily jumping up on the bed. You know, it's just real clean and real smooth. But if you guys don't like it and you prefer the other setting better, just let me know and I'll, you know, move my ring light. That's what you guys came here for. Assembly, y'all, was kind of hard, not even gonna lie. It was a little hard for me to put this thing together, but between my brain, YouTube, Google, and the actual manual, your girl got it up. I thought it was gonna take 5 minutes, but it took more like 30 to 35 minutes to put this ring light together. But I'm super happy that I invested in this because, as you can see, you guys, it is a big difference. Just like my camera, the quality is much better, and I'm so happy that I invested in it. So if you are ready to hear about my new ring light and see how I put it together, just in case you need help putting it together yourself, just keep watching. You guys, so hopping straight in, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this box. You guys, my troubles started even with opening the box. It took me like 10 minutes just to open the box, seriously. So I'm just moving the extra stuff out of the way so I have a room to work, and I'm just starting to pull everything out. So here in this pouch is the actual ring light, which is nice.
Huh? I'm opening up a box.
So yeah, you guys, in this pouch is the actual ring light, and it's nice and cushioned. So I'm just going to keep pulling everything out. And they also included some covers. So the clear one gives you the nice clear view, and the red one is more of a tinted. So here is the tripod. Y'all, I don't know what was wrong with me today. Like, I don't know what it was, but nothing was making sense. So after finally getting the tripod set up, I started to put the covers on the ring light. And like I said, this is just the clear ones. I don't want the tinted ones, so I'm using the clear covers. And this is what it looks like. So this was another interesting part. It took me a minute to figure out how to get the camera holder. So apparently you had to loosen it and then slide it in and then lock it again. So I'm gonna turn the ring light to the side so you all can get a side view. And then you start to tighten it so your camera can sit on top very sturdy. Here you take this bar and you sit it on top of the screw, and I found it much easier to take the screw out and then screw it while it's back on the top of the screw. And that is it for my ring light, you guys. I feel like that it's really not fair that you guys can watch this video in 5 minutes and it took me 30 to put this up. Here's Lily playing in the boxes, being so cute, watching mommy struggle, but I got it up and I love it so much.